Today I'm going to unbox my Boeing 7878 of Air India. This is actually made by Hogan Wings, scale 1/200, and this is an old delivery. To be honest, this aircraft model doesn't have landing gears. And let's now go to the box. So here you have the model, the Boeing 7878 aircraft type, and it says here it's highly detailed and superior graphics, simple snap fit construction, no painting required, and the stand is included for this model. Now this model is for adult collectors and is not suitable for children under the age of 14. It's produced under license from Boeing Management Company. 787 and Boeing are among the trademarks owned by Boeing. That's it, and some designs on the box. It's written here 7878 Air India scale 1/200. I got this from DBJets for 2,250 rupees, which is equivalent to approximately $30. Now let's unbox the plane and go through the parts one by one. The body of the aircraft is packed on top, while the rest are packed at the bottom. Here are the instructions. It says here we have to fix the wings, then the stabilizers, and then the tail, and at last the stand. And we finally open the door. Yeah, here we are. Yeah. So guys, from here, just hold on. Yeah, this is enough. Now here guys, you have the body, solid plastic, and it's kind of heavy. This model, yeah. It's written Hogan below, shiny letters. Here you have the landing gear space, but currently we don't have landing gears, so I have to buy them separately. Now, parts of the plane, all are connected, like the engine into the wings. So here is the left wing, really detailed, it's upright, and the engines look really nice, designed for 787 purpose, and even the engines spin really well. I like the way they made the blades of this. The wings really detailed. Here's the other one, same thing. Now we will move on to the stable tail, which is here. It's written Air India in English on the left side and in Hindi on the right side. Air India. Stabilizers. The left one, the right one should be upright. And last but not the least, the stand and the landing gear replacements. Let me open them. Here you go guys. So the landing gear replacements, the stand is packed in a plastic, and here's the base. Guys, fixing this model might take time, so let me pause this video and fix it for you all. Okay guys, so the model is finally fixed. completely. Now let us move on to review this model. The front cockpit, the first door, India flag. Below you have Boeing 7878 right here, and then Air India in Hindi. Second door, then wing light below. The engine, it's nice detailed. No doors in between, in the middle. The wing tip red navigation light over here. The top red light on the aircraft. The third door and the fourth door. And the tail at last. On the back, stabilizers and everything else. Same thing on the other side, except the navigation light is green, and engines are really detailed on this side, and engines are basically the same. It's not the one way, both are in the same direction. Okay guys, so now that we have done fixing this model, let us move on to the stand. So it's really nice, silver color, Air India Boeing 7878. Now we have to just open this. Now we'll fix the stand to the base. Just have to put it carefully. It's a bit tight. Just hold on guys. Almost there. Yes. At last, the stand is fixed to the model. Looks really beautiful, really nice, and I recommend you guys to collect and buy this model. So detailed and it's a old delivery. I really like it so much. And now guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, comment on the comment section below, and please share this video with friends. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.